everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good night, whenever you are watching this video. Hi and hello, I'm Andieni Camelia, an information system student at Bina Sarana Informatika University. And I'd like to discuss a current topic. But for today, we are going to peel back the layers of the device you are using right now. Whether you are watching this on a phone or a laptop, have you ever wondered what actually happens inside? And today we are diving into computer hardware, software, and operating systems. Let's get into it. Okay, first, let's talk about hardware. Simply put, if you can touch it, it's hardware. Think of it as the body of the computer. We can break it down into a simple big tree structure. When we talk about computer hardware, it's not just a random collection of parts. It follows a very specific logical flow called the information processing cycle, which is divided into three main pillars. First, we have the input unit. Think of this as the bridge between us and the machine. Every time you type a message or click a link, you are converting human actions into digital signals that the computer can understand. Second, and most importantly, is the processing unit or the CPU. This is where the magic happens. It's responsible for taking those input signals and performing complex calculation. Inside this CPU, there's a control unit that acts like traffic cop, direction data to where it needs to go, and an arithmetic logic unit that handles the actual math. Finally, we have the output unit. After the CPU finishes its job, the result is useless if we cannot see it. So, the output unit translates the digital data back into something we can perceive, whether it's an image or on your screen, or a sound from your speakers, or a physical document from your printer. Without this three-part cycle, the computer simply cannot function. Now, a common question. What's the difference between RAM and storage? Think of RAM as your desk space. It's where you put things you are working on right now. It's super fast, but once you leave the room or turn off the power, it clears out. Storage, like your SSD, is your film cabinet. It's for keeping your files safe for the long term. Even when the lights go out, your data stays there. Okay, if hardware is the body, software is the mind. But for hardware and software to work together, they need a manager. That's the operating systems or OS. Imagine the OS as a department manager in an office. It has four main jobs. Managing the processor, it decides which app gets the CPU's attention so your computer doesn't lag. Memory management, it makes sure your Chrome tabs don't crash into your Spotify. User interface, it gives us those pretty icons and buttons so we don't have to type boring code to open a folder. Device management, it tells the computer, hey, there's a new printer, here's how you use it. Okay, but wait, computing is changing. We are moving into the era of the cloud. Nowadays, we have SaaS or software as a service. Apps like Canva or Figma don't really run on your laptop. They run on powerful servers far away and we just stream them. We also have AI integration. Modern OS like Windows 11 are using AI to predict which apps will open next to make everything feel faster. And don't forget virtualization, where we can run a whole Windows system inside a Mac just for testing. It's like a dream within a dream, Inception style. So, to wrap it up, hardware is the body, software is the mind, and the OS is the boss that makes sure everything runs smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and leave a comment if you have any questions. I'm Andini and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye! And thank you.